Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a thermostat on a Chrysler Town and Country. First, gather your tools, including a wrench set, pliers, and a drain pan. Make sure the engine is completely cool to avoid burns from hot coolant or engine parts. You will need about 2 hours for this job, and it can save you a significant amount compared to professional service. Now let's drain the coolant. Place a large drain pan under the radiator to catch all the fluid. Open the radiator drain cock, usually located at the bottom of the radiator, and let the coolant drain completely. This step is crucial for safety and to prevent spills. Expect several liters of coolant to drain out. With the coolant drained, you can now access the thermostat. Unbolt the 2 or 3 bolts holding the thermostat housing in place. Carefully remove the old thermostat and its gasket. Clean the mating surfaces thoroughly. Install the new thermostat, making sure the spring side faces the engine, and use a new gasket for a proper seal. Finally, reassemble everything. Securely bolt the thermostat housing back on and reattach the upper radiator hose. Refill the cooling system with the correct coolant, typically a 50-50 mix of antifreeze and distilled water. Start the engine, let it warm up and bleed any air from the system. Check for leaks and ensure proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.